electronic device, and please look after of your children. And please remain seated with your hands on feet and next inside my bowl. Sorry, have a seat, please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so look at the right hand side first. Do you know what is this? Yeah, the Taishan Tree House. So if you want to take a visit to Taishan Tree House, okay, remember, don't try to swim. So serious, okay, don't try to swim. And crocodiles under the tree house, I can see that. Yeah. If you swim, yeah, the crocodile will come out and bite you. Yeah, it will. All the biggest will except me, yeah. Okay. Alright, you can go to the opposite side and take the walk in the water section over there. Better before 6. After 6, Taishan will back home. So he will lock his door so you cannot enter the Taishan house anymore. And then say goodbye to them. Bye-bye. And please turn around and say goodbye to the people on the walk. Bye-bye. Alright, so now we are going to walk on your river. We can cross 4,000 miles, but don't worry, I know the shortcut, so we can finish your journey as soon as possible. And in the entrance, we have the large elephant and the baby elephant welcoming us. He's teaching the little one to kiss his trunk. That's so cute. But if you remember, don't take a shower too long. Oh, and one more in front of us. It's one elephant. Well, he's trying to eat me for us. Okay, I don't want to get wet, I promise. Oh no, it's come up again. No, it's come up again. Get down. Oh, he's just kidding. And this is the old temple. Oh, maybe a little bit dangerous. Oh, look at the left hand side. It's a big spider. There,
the big spider.
In the world.
Oh, spider.
By the way, you know they can jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, if they jump, they will jump over us like this one. Yeah. Oh, and just ahead, this is Ganesha, and they have two king cobras to protect you. So don't try to make the king cobra protect. Oh, yeah.
Snake Louis at your back.
Yeah, the one more here. I think we better leave this time. Oh no. Something waiting for us. Can you see that? It's crocodiles, or maybe we will call them alligator. But do you know how they call us? They normally call us lunch or dinner. Yeah, but they're full already. It's after the tea time. Here is the house of Professor Porter and Jake. But they're not here. They have some unexpected company here. Is your real what are they doing?
Oh my god.
Remember, if you want any yellow, please don't make a sound like a banana. Otherwise they will follow you.
Zebra.
Oh, and this is the African savannah. We have zebra here, giraffe here, and also the elephant. So do you know what's the difference between the female zebra and the male zebra? No idea? Yeah. You're so smart. How do you know?
I've read it.
You read it? Really? Yeah, actually the female one is black with white strap and the male one is white with black strap. Is that simple? Yeah. But
There's the giraffe over there.
And this is the second scary jungle. So do you know? Yeah, it's right behind you. It's his wife actually. Okay, then now let's look at the front. Is it? Yes, so happy that 6,000 pounds also live so slowly because they never. Oh, one more here.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Yeah, look.
They are going to be kitchen because they are by the windows. Okay, don't worry, I will send the rescue boat right here. Okay, they will be fine. Don't worry about them. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh,
look.
Humans goes in front of us. I think this probably is plant hunter territory. Okay, so for your head safety, please keep quiet from now on and please protect your head, okay? I'm not sure whether they're inside or not.
Hello, it's the...
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, pay attention, okay?
It's here.
Ready? Oh, get down! No, don't taste it, don't taste it, Oh, you're still alive? Oh, you scared me! I can see the ball over there. Okay, then we can go home. We can come back to our lovely home over there. Okay, so thank you for coming to Jungle Week with us. So we're now going back and remember. Oh no! Oh, they're gathering to worry. Oh no! I think we go to the wrong place. This is the Forbidden Canyon of God. Go the water here and I can't move. I can't move back. Oh, probably not. Oh no.
What's wrong?
Oh, what's that?
Martina, what's wrong?
Oh, I can't believe we'll be crying. We are now safe. Are you guys alright?
Yes.
Anyone missing? If you're missing, please clap your hands. Okay, no one. Great, thank you. Okay, before we go back, look at the left hand side. She's a baby happy. She's coming and say goodbye to us. Let's say goodbye to the baby. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Now we really want to go back. So mind your hands. Yeah, keep your hands in your bowl. Thank you.
Bye bye.
My boss don't completely and you can leave me by using the window door, the back door. But remember, don't try to close your windows. Otherwise, you will become a gorilla and I will send you back in the jungle and you will live in the jungle forever and eat bananas for your rest of life. Okay? So if you enjoy the trip, please remember my name is Silver. I'm your skipper. But if you don't enjoy the trip, please remember my name is Peter. Your name is Gold, so you are my brother, right?